After your holiday, you will come back to the airport. Sometimes you can check in online. But if you need to check in your luggage, or you need to check in person, the first thing you have to do is go to the airline desk. Give the person your passport and your luggage, and he or she will give you your boarding passes. Next, you have to pass through security. Different airports ask you to do different things. Some ask you to take off your jacket and shoes. Some ask you to take off your belt. You always have to send your bags through the scanner. There will be picture signs that tell you what you must do. A security guard might say, place your laptop on a separate tray. Or, place all liquids in the bag provided. Or, have your boarding pass and identification ready. This means that you will soon need to show somebody your boarding pass and passport. In almost every airport, you have to walk through a scanner. A security guard will say, please step through the scanner. That means you can walk through it. Sometimes it will make a noise, like a beep. And the security guard will ask you to move to the side for an inspection. This doesn't mean that something is wrong. Don't worry and follow the officer's instructions. After security, you need to find your gate. Your plane will be at this gate. There will be electronic signs that show all the flights and all the gates. Find your flight and go to the correct gate. Sometimes you might be at the airport very early and there is no gate beside your flight. That's okay. That means you can wait. Now, you can go shopping in the duty-free shops. Remember to check the electronic sign for your flight. Sometimes your flight can be delayed. This means you will have to wait longer before you can board the plane. You might hear a person say something like this.
The Avianca flight AV1513 to Bogota has been delayed and will now depart at 10:45 from gate A5.
You should be at your gate at least 20 minutes before the departure time, and probably sooner. Now, listen to the conversation and answer the questions.